Hello everyone, my name is Joy and you're welcome to Learning with Joy. Our phrasal verb for today is to sound out. To sound out. To sound out means to carefully ask someone questions to find out their opinion, thoughts, or feelings, usually about something important or sensitive. Simply put, it means to casually check someone's thoughts before you make a decision or before you take an action. For instance, Emma wanted to take a long vacation in July, but she was not sure if her boss would agree. Before asking directly, she decided to sound him out. One day she said, "July is a nice month for a break, isn't it?" Her boss smiled and said, "Yes, many people take time off then." Emma continued, "Do we have a lot of work planned for July?" He replied, "Not really. It's usually quiet." Now Emma felt more confident. She had sounded him out and saw that it might be a good time to ask. The next day she officially asked for her vacation and her boss said yes. Sentence examples. The politician sounded out public opinion before announcing the policy. The company is sounding out customers to learn what they want. Before buying the car, he sounded out a mechanic for advice. I will sound out my boss about the new project before proposing it.